everyone. Hello. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today's topic na about one man when I see for Facebook just now. I say make I drive my bicycle, make I reach Facebook. Ma see wetin dey happen there. Now I see that they interview one man. No, wetin come make me say I must do this topic be say that they ask the man, say, wetin make you jogodo your 3 children? The man they say e mama, like e be like who they possess, I don't understand. And the man, the funny part na even pastor, I was like, pastor. This one pass Joromio, pastor. Na in the jogodo 3 children. So I said, no, I must do this one. If I not do this topic, waiting again, I shocktalize pastor. In fact, who they call una? In fact, even like saying with your wife, they say something that they use the two of them, because they ask the wife, say, you know, who be this man to you? He says, my lovely husband. I was like, ah. They ask him again. I will play a on here. They ask him again. This man, you see what he do now, good thing. He say, I forgive him. I was like, ah, this woman they okay. I be when I get what they use them to. Your husband, jogodo your 3 children. You they say you forgive him. No problem. I be poor beg. This one not be the one who let me one. I bet it's better I play more na hear about myself.
Okay. Why did you fuck your 3 daughters?
Because of the witchcraft force.
Witchcraft force?
Yes.
Who gave you the witchcraft force?
It's in a witchcraft force.
Told me not to marry my
Stand there.
My mother told me not to marry this woman.
Yeah.
Then I still continue to marry her.
Yeah.
Then as I marry her, she forced me to do that, and as doing that, kill each of my
It's
children.
in a witchcraft force.
No. You're supposed to be there. No. He's supposed to be there. He's the complainant. I asked you again, say, come on here. Come on here. No. I asked you, say, why did he fuck your blood? Your 3 daughters. Why did he fuck them? Why did he fuck them? And give them belly?
My mother
Even give the belly general.
witchcraft force and force me.
To fuck them. Them. Why did he fuck your grand?
My mother did all so that to give me shame.
Where's your mother?
My mother died.
Are you a pastor? What's the name of your church?
The name of my church is Upper Chamber.
Staying at where?
Iboche here.
Ibeche. Which part of Ibeche?
Now you go save.
Chokuta.
Chokota. You are the pastor there?
Yes.
How many members do you have in that church?
There are many, sir.
There are many. How many members do you fuck in that church?
I don't know.
You didn't fuck any person. Today, Oswald is going to destroy that church. That church will not be in Ibeche again. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? They are going to destroy.
So they will destroy the church.
Wing church they are using as a counterpoint. Today, they are going to destroy it. They cannot be there.
This one pass Jorobio.
Again. You're a shame of your family. Madam, how old are you?
I don't know, but I named 66.
Now you wife that they are so more listen
This
to
might see your
them.
husband.
Now you wife telling me first.
When your husband fuck your daughter, what did you do as a wife?
I cannot do anything because I love him. And I will
You
come
say I cannot do anything
You cover
because I
your
love
husband.
him.
Are you not an evil woman?
My life. God make me not evil. He has statements that
Hold on. You cover your husband. Your husband fuck your daughter and you cover your husband. Hold on. Your husband fuck your daughter. Is it a good thing?
No.
What motivate you to cover your husband so that people will not hear it? Your relation will not hear it. Your own relation will not hear it. Why did you cover it? If not be your son, if it is secret.
Because of love.
Because of the love.
Yes.
It's not because of love, my people.
And since that time, you are giving your husband food. Are you still giving your husband food since that time?
I cannot deny my husband.
You are still giving your husband food. Okay. Don't worry. The truth will come out.
They ask him, you they give your husband food ever since? He say yes. They give him. He say you cannot deny him food. Now this woman they encourage him, making the do him be waiting. This one pass Joromio, your own daughter. Hey, your own daughter. Now you the jogodo. I never see this kind one before. Oh, yo, not be even one. Oh, three daughters. Na this man jogodo with you. Three, not be even one. Eh? This one pass Joromi. Eh? 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 I never see this kind one before. Oh. The one when I see the year ever since, you see even the good for a year. This one, three. And this man just jogodo with you. 3 daughters. This one pass Joromi, oh, my people. How would I reason this matter, my people? A pastor jogodo 3 children. A wife say no see anything wrong. Am I dreaming right now? My people. This one where to you know say our people everything are just for where we did. Because me I don't understand what they work the woman. The woman they shocktalize me now. What they work the woman when you go allow your husband jogodo with your 3 children, you they say you don't see anything wrong. That one not concern you. And your husband, you stand by him. They don't say me you not love your husband, but this art, this thing where your husband do so, like the thing not good for you at all. Your own husband jogodo with your 3 children, you they say you don't see anything wrong. Are you kidding me? This woman, you dey okay? Sure, something not they work you, like something not they work you. I beg. You be like say something they work you, because I never see this kind one before. Say husband jogodo 3 children. You go see, he don't maybe that one now. 3, not be even one, no. 3. At least the one we first do that time. That one 1. This one 3, oh, 3. His wife say not see anything wrong, oh, my people. Oh. His wife say not see anything wrong, oh. I never see this kind one before. Oh God. Wetin enter this man? Which evil enter this man? When this man not gonna know wetin they do again, come say na his children he want can go jogodo with. Your wife not gonna reach you again, or if you want go carry side chick, why you not just go carry for her side? Or as now they do it before now carry on a church member there. You don't feel gonna see anyone carry for them, because now your own children. And people, they naked the man. Oh. They naked them. So na Igbo massive. My people. Oh. What do you not think for this video? What did this man do so na good thing? For unto the jogodo, 3 children. My people, wanna leave on a comment. Oh, I beg God, maybe they pray for our children, no, because we don't know the kind of evil man, evil spirit where they enter them, evil call himself pastor. God don't call now, so now say God call now. Una also give us the number. Una tell they call God. Where God tell they call now. May we really ask God if now they really call now. So thank you, my darling people. So anything you think, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Share this video for me. Please share the video so that the video can go viral. The video can go everywhere so that we go so that many people go see learn from inside, you know. So thank you. Bye.